Hey, Callum here. Today we're going to make the Corn N Oleo from the Cocktail Kitchen book. This drink is a very simple twist on an ultra classic corn and oil. Really delicious, absolutely one of my favorites. Before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with all of our new content. Let's do this.
The Corn N Oleo is the perfect drink for rum lovers, combining 3 different rum products in one glass. For this version, I've gone and replaced the classic recipe's aromatic bitters with the homemade Lime Cordial, which adds a bright, citrusy balancing note to what is essentially a rum old-fashioned. The cordial also pairs beautifully with the complex flavour profile of the Velvet Falernum. It's a boozy one for sure, but the various flavours from the spiced rums and the zestiness of the Lime Cordial help temper the spirit element and make this cocktail a wonderfully smooth and truly delicious sipper, and giving it a few quick stirs for minimal dilution, silky texture and maximum impact of the different rums and the fresh lime flavour. And there you have it, a Corn N Oleo. Enjoy!